Hi everyone, I hope you are so really well. In this lesson, we will learn how to install Apache Spark in your device. Could be PC, could be laptop, or could be a server. And let me introduce to this technology. Spark SQL is commonly used to made and data analytics in cloud engineering or in cloud services. It's so commonly used for data engineering, engineers, data scientists, or data governance and other profile that will need to use or um, we need to make explorations, make analysis, data analysis in this with this technology. So with Spark, we can't get we can't know more uses like Spark SQL. This module is used for working with structured data and allows you to run SQL queries on your data. It introduces data frames and datasets, which are powerful APIs for data manipulation and analysis. And we have Spark Streaming. This component enables you to process real-time streaming data, making it useful for applications that query live analytics. And if you if you want to build machine learning models, Spark allow us um, develop machine learning models because Apache Spark have ML Lib. Spark's machine library, MLlib, provides a wide range of algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, and clustering, allowing you to train machine learning models on massive datasets. And we have GraphX. This library is a dedicated component for graph computation, which is useful for analyzing data with interconnected relationships, such as social networks or a network for devices. This is a little description and uh, and the and the package that Spark provide us when we wanted to use it. Okay. Um, Before I start with the installation, we need to know which are the main tools that we need to download to execute Spark in our device. First, we need to download JDK in a version 17 or 21 version. I would like to share with you, and this version of Spark, it's version number 4, and the documentation says that this this version of Spark needs Java on your version 17 and 21 or 21. Then we need to download the package Spark on their website on their official website, and we need to use native library of Hadoop, and we must download Hadoop utils to execute on Windows. Remember, this installation is with Windows version 11, and it's similar with Linux, but change change with the use on the commands that we need to execute, but in the essential, in the fundamentals on installation, it's similar. Okay. In this moment, I will share with you my screen, and you need to open your browser and type on Spark, Spark, Apache Spark, Apache Spark on your browser, and click and open the link that redirect with the official website on Apache Spark. And I recommend you read a little about the documentation list release, because in this section we have Apache Spark and Unified Engine for large scale data analytics. This is an introduction that we need to know about um, this tool, and this part of the documentation I think it's so important because in this part we have the explanation about about what is the best version to download or have for each part of each technology that the Spark for needs to. And in this section here says what is the necessary versions about Java, Scala, Python, R, and and other information related with the downloading. So come back with the let me okay so come back with the main and click on download. This is the description, the technical description about this version of Spark. This version is 4.0.0 that was uploaded by Apache on May 23, 2025, and we need to click on the point 3, download the Spark, click on, and the link the click redirect us to this page, and to download the zip package, it's in HTTP. Click on it, and download the downloading will start. I click, but the download doesn't start. I don't know what happened, but if you have problems with the link, copy and paste on other window. And as you see, as you watch, in the right top of my browser, the download was started. Okay, I stop this, cancel this, and only I maintain uh, one download of Spark. So then we need to go to oracle.com, click on products, scroll down and click on scroll down, find hardware and software section, click on Java, click on download Java, uh, click on download Java, click on Java archive, and scroll down and find Java CE 17.0.12 and earlier. Click on it and scroll down and search. And we need to search Windows X 64 installer. This is the installer, and click on the link. Click on the link below. Next to click on the click that is next to the definition about the installer on Windows. Click on it, and the download starts. So we have Spark and JDK 17.0.12 and Spark version 4. And finally, at the end of the tools that need to install, Hadoop, Hadoop WinUtils, and click on the first GitHub repository. No, this is not the GitHub repository. It's the second. Click on the link, and when you see the repository, I recommend you download Hadoop 3.36 bin version. But if you want to download all the versions that Hadoop contains, you are free to do it. And as I'm downloading, okay, we have Spark, JDK, and WinUtils. Then we need to go to our downloads and search Spark, JDK, and WinUtils. Mark and copy it and paste it on PC or local repository or local machine, and paste in the root on the root. Paste it on the root, and in this directory we need to create two directors: Hadoop, Spark is Spark, Hadoop and Spark. And when you start the installer of Java, when you click on OK, the confirm button, you'll have a pop-up that contains all the process about the installation. In this moment, I install the JDK Java version, and for that, the installer returns me this message that this software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? In this case, I click on no because I've already installed it. Then I opened Spark tgc, copy the, the directory and paste on the Spark directory that we created a few moments ago. Wait a moment that the copy process end. It's uh, it's it's fast. In spite of the 2,500 elements, more elements, 2,500 more elements. Okay, we have the Spark distribution, and we need to um, copy the Hadoop 3.36 directory distribution and paste on the directory Hadoop. In this case, we have to enter and copy the bin directory and paste on Hadoop directory like this. Okay, and then my installation about Java is on Archivos de Programa or Program Files and Java, my JDK 17 and my bin. Okay, after this downloading these download mm, distributions, we need to open our environmental variables and type edit environment variables opened, and we need to create three variables: Hadoop home and Java home. In my case, I deleted the same and Spark home delete. Okay, click on new, type Java home, go to installation about your JDK, open the bin, copy the path, paste without bin in the value of the variable, and click on accept. Then create new, name of the variable Hadoop home, go to Hadoop distribution, Hadoop, click, copy the path, copy and paste on the value of the variable. Then we have Hadoop variable, Java home, Hadoop home, Java home, and finally Apache Spark home, click on your Spark distribution, this open bin, and copy the path. This is the value of the variable, paste as accept. Hadoop home, I erase this. Let me a moment. Wait a moment. Okay, and we have Hadoop home, Java home, Spark home. Open your variable path, and we need to type Java home. Let me delete, and delete. Okay. At the end, or click on new, you will need to type or write percentage Java home, follow the slash, and bin. Click on new, type percentage, write Hadoop home, percentage, slash, bin, new, click on new, write percentage, Spark home, percentage, slash, bin. Okay, click on accept. Okay, and then we need to open our terminal CMD, and I recommend you uh, to see if our system variables was typed correctly. You write echo echo follow with percentage and the name of the variable. In this case, we have to type path, enter. And in this, when the prompt returns the value of the variable, you will see something like this. And you need to search the Java home, Hadoop home, and Spark home value. In this case, we have here, yes, here. This is the value of the Java home, follow the bin, the value of the Hadoop home, follow the bin, the Spark, follow the Spark value, follow the bin. And if you want to check that is correct, you will need to follow that path, program files, Java, JDK 17, and bin. Okay, this is okay. Then Hadoop bin, click on Hadoop and bin. Okay, it's correct. And finally, Spark, click on Spark hyphen 4.0.0 hyphen bin hyphen Hadoop /bin. Okay, and when you review that your variables was typed correctly, execute Spark hyphen shell, and the Spark shell starts. And in this moment, you will see the Scala prompt. This shell appears in a moment. Then you type Spark shell, and the prompt Scala starts, and you will you can in this moment you can type code about Scala, and this is how to install Spark, and I hope you uh, resolve many doubts, and see you in the next video.